Good morning, students. We are studying chapter 4, Respect All Work. In this chapter, we have talked about essential services, divisions of labor, dignity of labor. Firstly, what is essential services? It means people do different job to earn their living. There are various people in a neighborhood who offer different services to help us in our daily life. These services are called essential services. Second is divisions of labor. Divisions of labor means we need these services to lead happy and comfortable life. Different people do different types of work. This is called the divisions of labor. Third point is dignity of labor. What is the dignity of labor? Dignity of labor means that all types of jobs deserve equal respect and no occupation is inferior. This is the dignity of labor. And some reformer who have done work for caste system. They considered each and every work as a worship. They did not make any difference between any kinds of people in the whole world. They felt and taught that work is a worship and there is no shortcut to hard work. Today we will do exercise and question answer. But before doing this, we will learn about some moral points and moral thing about this chapter. We have known different occupations and work done by such people like postmen, teachers, doctors, cobblers, etc. So, one question arises in our mind, that is, why do people work? If this question comes in our mind, then we need to know its answer. If answer is that everyone work to earn money and to make their life comfortable. Work. Work means duty. Worship is a sign of sincerity, devotion, honesty, dedications and concentration. If we work, that is, if we perform our duty with devotion and sincerity, success is sure to come if we display honesty and concentration in our work. We enjoy the same pleasure of satisfaction and happiness which we get from worship. If we are dedicated to our work, we not only benefit ourselves but the whole community. We can also change the world by doing hard work. Only praying to God and sitting idle is not a worship. Hence, work should have the same importance in our life as a worship. And also second question arises in our mind, that is, why is it important to respect all work? Every work is important in its own way. It is important to respect all work because we cannot do all works ourselves. We need help from others. Each person following a specific occupation contributes for a certain problem. People may follow the different occupations, but everyone work equally hard. We should never ashamed on any kinds of work. We should always respect every work and workers. No work is superior or inferior itself, and it is absolutely wrong to consider any work as a high or low. Work, therefore, itself is dignity. We should always remember that dignity is achieved by doing only and only hard work. Now, students, take out your book. Let's do exercise and questions. Firstly, we see oral questions. Say yes or no. First question. A milkman delivers milk. Students, think and try to answer. The question, a milkman deliver milk. Yes, milkman deliver milk. Put a tick or write yes there. Second point, none of us can do all the work ourselves. Yes, its answer is yes. Third point, untouchability is a good thing. No, untouchability is not good thing. So students, put a cross or write no there. Fourth point, Mahatma Gandhi renamed untouchable as a Harijan. Yes, its answer is yes. Let's see, tick the correct options. First, what do we call the services we need every day? There is mentioned the three options. Its answer is essential services. Second, we must dash every work and the person who does it. Its correct answer is respect. A option, respect. Children, turn the page. Third point, a person who mends our shoes is a dash. Its answer is cobbler. Now see, fill in the blanks. There is help box given. First, a dash brings letter for us. A postman brings letter for us. Second, a greengrocer supplies dash. A greengrocer supplies grocery. Third, essential services help us lead a dash and dash life. Essential services help us lead an happy and comfortable life. Fourth, dash repair a leaking pipes and tank. Plumber repair a leaking pipes and tanks. Fifth, dash is a punishable act and has been banned. Untouchability is a punishable act and has been banned. Now see, write T for true and F for false. First, a gardener supplied grocery. Its answer, no, means false. Second, we cannot do all the work ourselves. Its answer, yes, because we know that we cannot do all the work ourselves. Third, we must respect all work and the person who does it. Its answer, true. Fourth, Mahatma Gandhi believed in a dignity of labor. Yes, we already discussed in our chapter. Mahatma Gandhi believed in a dignity of labor. Now we do the question answer. I read the questions and I explain the answers also. I already provided you questions and answer to you, so look at your copy. First question is that, what do you understand by divisions of labor? Its answer is different types people do different types of work. This is called the divisions of labor. Second question is, what do you understand by dignity of labor? Dignity of labor means that all types of job deserve equal respect and that no occupation is inferior. Third question is that what are essential services? I already explained in this chapter. So its answer is that people do different job to earn their living. There are various people in our neighborhood who offer different services to help us in our daily life. These services are called essential services. Fourth question is that name two social reformers who worked hard to eradicate the caste system from a society. So, we have the Mahatma Gandhi and Swami Vivekanand are two social reformers who worked hard to eradicate the caste system from our society. Question 5. Who renamed the untouchables as a Harijan? Mahatma Gandhi renamed untouchables as a Harijan. I hope you understood this chapter very sincerely, as it is very important to understood. So I think that is enough for today and meet you in next class. Bye everyone.